When I plant in a tree, I am not only restoring the forest, but also giving new life. I have always been in awe of nature. Of course, the most vivid memories are from childhood, very colorful landscapes with spectacular views. But the disastrous traces of human activity one can see everywhere. In 2010, terrible wildfires were burning all over Russia. Smoke from fires covered many cities, which resulted in casualties. That's why I joined the environmental movement ICA and started organizing planting in my region. At first, I thought it is enough to plant trees and the issue will solve itself. But the problem lies much deeper. What is more important is the environmental education of people. Forests have a great influence on the whole planet and its climate. They cleanse the air of dust, heavy metals and other harmful substances. At some point I realized that a mobile game will allow us to engage as many people as possible around the world in solving the forest problem. So we developed the mobile game Plant the Forest. Plant the Forest combines the virtual world with the real world while bringing benefits to nature. The game will inform a wide audience that forests are vanishing rapidly. Players will grow their virtual forest and in real life, actual forest planted by the hands of our volunteers will rise. This is our nursery. Here seedlings are growing. Soon we will move them to a forest. I would wish to unite our efforts to find like-minded people, since together we can do much more. And of course, believe in yourself, in your ideas and in your dreams. The best way to predict the future is to create it. I hope we will be the partners in creating the better world for us and our future generations. I believe that each of us has not lost the ability to create and to feel our worth in preserving the nature of our planet. We create the future right now. Why not make it good? Dare to green the future. Dare to bring the forest to life.